Okay, so what is GCP? Okay, Google Cloud, that is Google Cloud Platform. So, guys, when we talk about the Google Cloud Platform, it is the bunch of cloud services, guys. What is it? It's a bunch of cloud services. So, this one is nothing but it's a bunch of cloud services. So, okay, so it's a bunch of cloud services, and using this, that is nothing but the Google Cloud Platform. Okay, guys, it's a bunch of cloud services, and using this we can perform the following task. Okay, we can perform the following task, guys. Okay, so what is Google, guys? We all know what is a Google, am I right? Google has the search engine. Okay, almost all Google is ruling the whole world. Okay, so now what is a cloud? Okay, what is a cloud platform? I'll explain you every point here. Okay, and now you can say the Google Cloud Platform is a cloud services wherein using this cloud services, guys, you can perform the following task. What is that? The first one you can perform. The first one as what is a data migration job. The first one is what? Data migration job. Then you have also data integration job. Then you have also data summarization job. And then you have also data visualization job. So these are all the guys. These are all the tasks you can achieve it by using the GCP, guys. Okay. So now, anyways, I will explain you every point. Okay, what is data migration, what is data integration, and what is data summarization, and as well as what is data visualization. So prior to that, let us discuss, guys, what is basically a cloud. What is basically a cloud, and why do we use this cloud technology? And if you are understanding the cloud, then why do we use what is it, guys? What is an on premise? Let's try to understand what is an on premises. So these two, the terminologies we should understand it, guys, before we move further and understand what is a that is nothing but GCP. In short, we call it as what, guys? So to understand this GCP and the usage of the GCP, guys, everyone, the usage of the GCP, we should understand what is a cloud and what is an on-premise. So, guys, now I'm actually taking up you walking you through the very basic part, guys. From the very basic part I'm just walking through. Okay, so let's go ahead with this, guys, and okay, uh, let's go ahead with this, and let's go ahead with the process. First of all, what is an on-premise and what is a cloud? So for that I will take an example, guys. Okay, what is an example? Guys, I want the session to be interactive. Everyone should interact, guys. It should not be one to, it should not be a single person, me talking and you people just listening and like that. Okay, I want an interactive session. The session should be interactive so that both of us get adequate interest in listening the things. Okay, now, guys, when you talk about everyone, when you talk about the that is nothing but a mobile phone. So all of us are using the mobile phone, am I right? If I'm not wrong, everyone is using the mobile phones. Yes, guys. Hello. Yeah, guys, I want an answer. Every one of us are using the mobile phones or not? Please respond. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yes,
Not-
Samir.
Yeah. See, guys, okay, all of us are using the mobile phone. So when we use the mobile phone, everyone, when we use the mobile phone, everyone, whenever we use the mobile phone, so, guys, whenever we buy a mobile phone, by default, a mobile phone we get it with the default memory storage. Every mobile phone we get it with the default memory storage. Suppose you are buying a Samsung mobile. So this Samsung mobile by default you get with the default memory storage. Let us say you can say 64 GB, guys. 64 GB is the storage, and now the RAM speed, that is the processing speed, is the 8 GB. The processing speed is the 8 GB. The processing speed is what is it, guys? 8 GB. The processing speed is 8 GB. Now, guys, you can say everyone. So whenever we buy a mobile phone, everyone we get the some okay inbuilt storage, which is nothing but, here in this case it is 64 GB and 8 GB is the RAM speed. Now once it is, you bought it, and now you have started storing some data. Now what happened, you have been to some excursion or some marriage function or party somewhere, where you have clicked lot of pictures. Yes guys, my question is that, we store everyone the, or can we transfer the data now, can we transfer the data which is already available in your DSLR camera to your mobile phone, Samsung mobile phone, which has the capacity of 64 GB and 8 GB is the RAM? Can you transfer it? Not possible. Not possible. Why? This memory is very high and this memory is very less. Am I right or not? So what you will do guys, you will try to either expand your memory. That means you will try to expand the memory of your mobile phone. So let us say you've added an SD card, guys, added an SD card. SD card stands for what? Scan disk card. You've added for the SD card, and now once the SD card is added, now the memory of your mobile phone has increased to, what is it guys, more, okay, more 32 GB. Now guys, more 32 GB. Now tell me, as your memory has increased to more 32 GB, what is your final output here? So you get it here. Finally, 64 GB plus 32 GB means what? 96 GB. Am I right? Still, are you able to meet this one, guys? Still, are you able to meet this? No. Now, what is the alternative you have got? What is the alternative, guys? Generally, tell me now, everyone. What is the alternative you have got? If this is the case, what is the alternative? There is no alternative, guys. You have to either buy a mobile phone, or the next way is, what is it, guys? You try to save the data into the Google Drive. Am I right, everyone? Google Drive. So, what is Google Drive, guys, everyone? Google Drive is nothing but, guys, Google Drive is nothing but, it is one of the cloud storage. What is it? It is one of the cloud storage, guys. So when you have, okay, well, it's one of the cloud storage. So now, guys, tell me, you must be getting it out. I can store the data in Google Drive, but only by default the Google provides, what is it, guys? 15 GB is the data. Default data provided here is what? 15 GB. So what about the rest of the data? Can we store 198 GB? In fact, only free is 15 GB, guys. But if you want, you can buy by paying the cost here, and you can buy no limit. There is no limit for buying the storage onto the Google Drive. Am I right or not? In there is nothing but gigabytes, terabytes, whatever you want. Even the petabytes also you can buy it and store it. So the same thing we have did it, and we are able to store the data into the Google Drive. We can store the data into towards that Google Drive here. Okay, guys, we can store the data into the Google Drive. So now, guys, now whenever you move the data, can you see here? Whenever you try to move the data, guys, whenever you try to move the data from your Samsung mobile phone, from your Samsung mobile phone, everyone, whenever you try to move the data from your Samsung mobile phone, everyone, whenever you try to move the data from your Samsung mobile phone to, what is it, guys? Samsung mobile phone to, what is it? Samsung mobile phone to, what is that? Google Drive. This process of moving the data, this process of moving the data from a physical device to a cloud storage. This process of moving the data from a physical device to the cloud storage is called as, what is it guys, is called as the process of data migration. It is called as the process of what guys, everyone? Data migration. So data migration is nothing but what? Moving of the data from a physical device to the cloud storage. Moving of data from the physical device to the cloud storage. Physical device to the cloud storage is called as what guys? Data migration. It is called as what guys, everyone? Data migration. That's it. Okay. Now, in the same way, even if you are moving the data from the DSLR camera memory to the cloud storage, okay, guys, uh, when you are storing the data, what is it, guys? Even if you are moving the data from the what is it, DSLR camera memory to what is that, to the cloud storage. Even this is called as what, guys? This is also called as what? Yes, guys. This is also called as what? Data migration. So data migration means what? Moving a data from the physical device, moving the data from the any physical device to the cloud storage is called as what? Data migration. So nowadays we have lot of migration projects being carried out. Lot of migration projects being carried out where the basic job is you have to get the data from the various storages, okay, such as REST APIs, okay, guys, such as REST APIs, and such as the the data stored in what is that, even various kind of files, the data stored in various kind of databases. It can be the SAP database or it can be the non-SAP database. So all this we just pull in and store it into the cloud environment. So the whole world is moving towards storing the data into the cloud storage. So hence this process is of moving the data is called as what? Data migration, guys. Okay, the next one, what is data integration? Let's try to understand this, guys. So everyone is following what is data integration? Everyone is clear with this? Please, guys, tell me now. I want a clear idea. Yes, guys.
Yes.
No? Yeah. So the next one. The next one. What is it? You have it. Data integration. So what is data integration? So to understand this data integration, guys, we will take another example. Okay. Let's say, guys, let's say here you have been to a, everyone. I'll take a simple example, guys. Today we will not go much technically. Today, let us say you have been to a Reliance, guys. Today you have been to a,
you might add.
Yeah, guys, are you? Am I able? Like, am I audible? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Yeah, audible. Just a 1 minute. Okay, so just a minute. I'm just sharing you my screen now. I hope now you're able to see the screen. Please respond. Okay, guys. So here we were discussing about everyone. Am I audible, guys? So yeah, everyone, please respond, ma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. So since here we were discussing about the data integration. So when we talk about the data integration, guys, so here you have what is it? We were discussing an example of the Reliance Smart, wherein you have what is it? The following are the products we have available at Reliance Smart. Wherein when we talk about the vegetables, guys, these are all the vegetables we have it. That is nothing but this vegetable got it from Jammu and Kashmir. This is from Tamil Nadu. This is from USA. This is from Australia. All the vegetables are gathered at one place by Mumbai Smart, Reliance Smart here for facilitating the customers. In the same way, guys, in the same way, if we replace these products, if we replace this product with data, guys, if the data is gathered, guys, if the data is gathered from various locations, okay, from the various locations and kept at a place, this process is called as what? Data integration. Then, okay, guys, then the next one. What's the next one you have it, guys? The next one you have it as what? Data summarization. Your words are data summarization. So what is data summarization, guys? Let's try to see this. The data summarization. So what is data summarization? Data summarization is nothing but it's a very vital and essential part of the that is nothing but the Google Cloud platform. Wherein, guys, let's take an example here. Guys, everyone, now there is a data. Now there is a data of a supermarket sales where it follows like this: product ID, product rate, then you have the product quantity sold. Guys, I'm audible. Product quantity sold and date of sales. Everyone, am I audible, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, there is some projection in the connectivity. That's the reason why I'm asking you again and again. Please don't mind it. Okay, guys. So here you have what's it? The following are the yeah, that is nothing but the products information available. What is that? Sales information. Now, actually, the supermarket authorities, guys, the supermarket authorities wanted to know, guys, wanted to know what is the expect or what is the net sales, what is the net sales amount, everyone, what is the net sales amount on, guys, on they want the date here. What is it? Let us say 28/01/2025 and 27/01/2025. That's it. These are the 2 days data you they wanted, guys. Okay. So they wanted to know what is the net to sales amount. Now you have the product ID, rate, quantity sold, and date of sales. Out of this, you have to extract the net sales, guys. So I'm giving Ken's here something like this, and rate is, let us say, 100. Okay, 100, and the product quantity sold is, let us say, 10 pieces, and the date of sales is, let us say, 27th of first 2025. Okay, the second one, it is like this. Okay, guys, I'm giving 200, and then you have again 20. So guys, you can say 27/01/2025, and again you have, what's it, guys? Can you share the next? I'm giving it 300, and here you have, what's it? Quantity sold is 10. So this is the data you have it. So wherein you have, what's it? 27/01/2024. Sorry, 2025. This is the data of the first day sales, and this is the second day sales, wherein you have, what is it, guys? Everyone, wherein you have, what's it? The date is 28 here. The date is 28. Okay, and now, based on these 2 days sales gathered, they wanted to launch a discount offer. Whichever day sales is less, based on that, they wanted to launch a discount offer here. Okay, guys. So let's try to calculate the data here. So you have the same, guys, everyone. So I hope everyone is able to follow and hear me clearly. Yes, guys. Everyone is able to follow and hear me clearly. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you. Now, guys, the next one. So, what is it you have it? Let's gather data. Product ID, product rate, quantity sold, and date of sales is here. Now, let's get in here. Everyone, when you start the process, guys, here what is it you want? I want everyone product ID. I don't want. Why? Because I want the net sales amount. The net sales amount, I can get it from these three columns. I can get from these three columns. So I'll pick up this one. So whereas picking up this data, that is out of four columns, I'm picking up only three columns. So this is called as the process of what, guys? Choosing the specific column which is required for us is called as what? Extraction. It is called as what, guys? Extraction, which we represent it as E, guys. Okay. Now the extraction is done, guys. What is the next thing you have it? You have to find out the net to sales amount. Okay. So for that, we have to do some calculations. That means some making changes on the data which you've extracted. So this changes are called as what? Transformations, which is nothing but called as what? T here, guys. Transformation is nothing but what? T. So here I can say, guys, transformation is nothing but what? T here. So let's try to transform the same. So now, guys, I'll do directly the calculations. 100 is the rate of the product. 10 is the quantity sold. Then what is the amount you'll get it, guys? 10 into 100 is what? 1000. Am I right? 200 is the rate of the product and quantity sold is 20. So what is the amount you get it, guys? Tell me now. 200 into 20 means what? 10 is 4000. Am I right? And the next one you have, what is it, guys? 300 is the rate, 10 is the product quantity sold, that is 3000. So this is the total amount you got it. And let's do the calculation for this even. Here also you have 1000, everyone, 1000, and here you have the 4000, and again you have what's it? 3000. So you got the data here, guys. You got the data. So now let's do the calculations net here, everyone. So what's the next calculations? Let's try to give it here like this. Guys, everyone, what's that you want? The net calculations is what? Net to sales amount. Net sales amount is what, guys? Here you can say 1000 plus 4000 plus 3000. Totally it is what? 8000. Okay. And now, which date is sold here, guys? Date of sale. Let us file the final output. I'm writing it here, guys. Can you see here? On the 27th day of January 2025. The next one, what is it you have, guys? What is it you have it? Please respond. The next one is what? The next calculated result is what? the same 1000, it is also 8000, so I can say 8000 as it is, and this is on 28th day. Now guys, can you see it? This is the data you have it. So now you got the final output. So this output is called as what guys? Final output. So what do? You load this output into the target system. That is called as what? Loading process. Loading. So in short guys, we call this as what is it guys? In short, we call this process as what? E, and then you also T, and the next one what is it guys? L. ETL. This process we call it as what guys? ETL. That is called as what? Extraction, transformation, and loading. Now this has changed. Slowly the perception is changing from ETL towards what? EL. Then you what's it guys? T. ELT. What is it you have it? ELT. What is it you have it? ELT. ELT. That is extraction, loading, and transformation. And this is what? Extraction, transformation, and loading. And this is called as what? Extraction, loading, and transformation. Extraction, loading, and transformation. These are the two things we have it here. Extraction, loading, and transformation. Now we are upgrading it towards it ELT nowadays. So okay guys, ELT, that which is called as what? The same process. Means what? It will extract first, load second, then transform it as per the requirement. That is the thing we are following it in the modern data warehousing. That's the thing we are following in what's it guys? Modern data warehousing. Now guys, the next one, what is it you have it? Everyone. The next one, what is it you have it? Ah, so we have also, like we have seen all these guys. What is that? What is data migration? What is data integration? What is data summarization? You have seen. But what is data visualization? This we have to see it now. Now I'll tell you what is data visualization. Guys, when you talk about the data visualization is nothing but guys, can you see here? Visualizing the data, that means analyzing the data. The visualization, okay, the visualization is a process where everyone, the visualization is a process where everyone, where we perform the job of analysis. Okay, guys. So here you have what's it? With data visualization. The visualization is what, guys? Everyone, the visualization has two things. What is it, guys? The first one is called as a data analysis, and the second one is called as what? Data science. These are the two things we have it. Now tell me, which day sales is more? You wanted to evaluate. Which day sales is more? At that time, we go with what, guys? Data analysis. Getting my point? We compare the first day with the second day and take out the final one. But whereas, what about the data science, guys? If you wanted to know what is the expected sales you may have tomorrow, what is the day to tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow it is 29th day of January 2025. That means this day. So we are talking about the future or the present date, guys, when you talk about the 29th. Yeah? Is it the future or the present date, guys? It's the future for us. Am I right? This is the future for us. So hence guys, this date called 29/01/2025, the future for us. So whenever you wanted to predict the future, at that time we go with what is that? Data science, where the data science is used, or the data science we use it here, guys, along with what? Yes guys, we use the data science along with what is it, guys? We use the data science along with all the statistical methods such as cluster data analysis, analysis of variance, general linear model. These are all the things you're going to see it, guys. That's it. Okay. So now, so when it comes to the the cloud technology, and I said what is it? The Google Cloud Platform is a complete, that is GCP is a complete bunch of cloud services. That means it includes all the things. That is the process of what? Data migration, data integration, and the data summarization, and as well as the data visualization. So all the jobs you can perform it by using the Google Cloud Platform. That is nothing but it is a complete end-to-end process it provides, guys. And now about the services. What are all the services we are going to see? The first one we have, what is it? The GCP. Okay, the GCP can be used in two modes. What is that? We can go with the wizard mode. Wizard in the sense, guys, It is completely a GUI, guys, graphical user interface. Okay, and you can also use the GCP with GCP. We can also use the GCP with the Databricks. That means we can integrate the same with the Databricks, guys. We can integrate the same with the Databricks, and this Databricks we use it in the language as what, PySpark. What is it, guys? We use the language as what, PySpark, which is nothing but the combination of Python plus Spark together is called as what, PySpark. So now, why to learn this GCP now? Okay, Google Cloud Platform. Why to learn this? Where you have the other things in the market, guys. As you know that we have various cloud providers are available into the market, such as you have Azure is there, and such as you have, okay, AWS is there. Why only GCP? The GCP is coming up now, guys. It's coming up. Definitely will pick up the market. It will take some time. Now the requirement is very good for it. Okay, now they're not choosing the quality engineers. That means they're not, if they want 100 engineers to work on it, okay guys, 100 engineers to work on it, they are not getting the enough hands. So they are hiring a person who knows, okay, the GCP. Without experience also they are taking up, but you should be certified in such a case. Okay, so that's what. So that is the, so this is the best time what I suggest to get into the any technology, where it is in the very starting stage. Why? Because guys, here you don't, like everyone, we all do these kind of courses by investing your time and money only because to get a job. Am I right? Your main motive is to improvise yourself, and upskill yourself and get a good package and all. So I would suggest this would be the best platform where you can start up the things here. Okay, so as already I told you that I have around 12 plus years of experience, and presently I'm working in some corporate. Okay, and I'm in the, I'm just, I'm managing the project complete. Okay, I'm one of the, okay, technical directors. I have, like, I'm working in my profile. Okay, so I'm working for a Mumbai based company. Okay, so that's it, guys. And when it comes to my teaching experience, of course, the same one. The teaching I'm teaching in since very long. Okay, not today. Okay, since very long I'm teaching up. So, and about the session, so you'll have the timings for this, the standard at 9 a.m., guys, every day. 9 to 10 will be the standard timings for this. Okay, and due to some projection and all, guys, we could not scale up the things. So I will see that all the technical issues are resolved by tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll connect at the same time, 9 o'clock, guys, and we'll start up the session. So, and meanwhile, if you have any query, okay guys, you can also get in touch with me. Okay, you can also get in touch with me directly. I can give you my number as well. Okay, so here you have my number. This is my direct number, guys. You can call me anytime. Okay, and obviously, rest of the things you can check it with the versionality. Okay, guys. So that's it. Anything else? Any other questions? If you have, please go ahead and ask me, guys. Please.